Today we're going to learn birds. Boys and girls. What color are these birds? It's pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. What are these birds? These birds are flamingo. I love flamingo birds. As Sophie, I talk too long, and I like flamingos too. You like flamingos too, so I will choose something. But this bird is flying. Boys and girls, what bird is it? It's eagle. Oh, you like eagle? I don't like eagle, but anyways. And I love all you, and all day long. This bird is swimming. Boys and girls, what bird is it? It's penguin. I love the penguin is walking wobble too. And she doesn't have hair. She just wobble. This bird is drinking. Look, look, look. Boys and girls, what bird is it? It's a duck. Quack, quack. Boys and girls, what is the duck say? So I don't know it. And this is the bird eating. This bird is eating. Boys and girls, what bird is eating? This bird is eating fishy. This bird is walking. Boys and girls, this bird run fast or walk slow? I don't think so. Maybe she can run fast, but I don't think so. This bird is running. Boys and girls, do these birds run fast? Yes, this bird is very run fast. This bird is sleeping. Boys and girls, what bird is it? This bird is an owl. Owl is intended, and she says, "Coo, coo, coo." This bird is talking. Hello, boys and girls. What bird is it? It's a parrot. 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 And it says, when he's talking, hello, and she says, hello. It's very funny. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Click subscribe and like, and don't forget to try to come. Bye bye.